All right, we're on the second floor. Sink's running.
They don't want to break that record. And yet, I'll always remember that he's being guarded by Henry Williams, who I have a lot of respect for, because he's bounced around something that steady all 4 years in college.
Yeah. So
that's inside the walls for sure. It's coming into the window sill frame.
yeah, this whole thing. All right, you're good. All right. So it's 2-inch. Got it right there. A little crooked. It's all right. 10 feet up on a ladder. Kind of sketchy. Got my guy going inside. He's gonna take apart the P-trap. We're just gonna pull this out. There we go. All right, there you go. No hub band, Street 60. That's it. So now we just tie in the trap with a little trap adapter right here. A little glue, a little trap adapter with a, that's 1.5 inches. I think that's the one, or maybe this one. All right, trap adapter. That's how you do it right there, folks. Now we're gonna run some water, make sure it doesn't leak. All right, there it goes. And we're good.